What up, YouTube? We back at it. We sliding to the shop. We about to get some working on this Roadglide. I got a lot of parts that came in the mail, a few little stuff, a few little things we got to install. So stay tuned for that. If y'all haven't entered to win that 2019 Roadglide, the time is now, man. Go in the description below. Grab you a Black's KICKSBYDRE cap. That's gonna be your one entry for that bike, man. We got that thing almost more than halfway sold out. But I'm not tripping. The more we put the bike together, the more everybody's gonna see the vision that I'm going for. So stay tuned for that. We are sliding and getting it in. And we are headed to Ohio and Texas. Like I said, I had to cancel the shipper last week. But we're about to get it back going so we can get that bike shipped out. And then we're gonna get the other CVO to Texas. So stay tuned. I might just gonna drive and drop both off myself. So we're gonna see after this week how everything goes. But like I said, stay tuned, man. We working. We got some progress for this joint, y'all. We done got, these are the buttons for right here, scraped off and whatnot. But one thing I could say, we got that chrome starter. Let me show y'all, cause this thing looks hella good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But besides that, this is a 2019 Roadglide we're giving away. Got the 114 joint on there. This bike is blacked out. We're gonna leave it blacked out. I got a brand new inner and outer fairing in there, freshly painted. Got the, black fender. We're gonna take the paint. That's the wraparound that finally came for the CVO. We're gonna take that joint. We got this thing looking good though, man. I'm gonna get the bags re-blacked out nice and clean. And then we're gonna take some of these chrome pieces off, not the exhaust, but like the floorboard, the brake. A few other little pieces we're gonna get re-powder coated and blacked out so everything can just be nice and clean. We do have chrome lowers on there for now, but I actually do have the black lower legs right here from powder coat, man. Finally blacked out, looking good along with the cans. So stay tuned for that. Also, I went and got the here they go. I got some new grips in the mail, so we're gonna install these bad boys. Has some damage on this one right here. So the only thing we waiting on now, we got front and back floorboards we ordered for this joint. We're waiting to come in the mail, and then we got some levers and some mirrors. So stay tuned, and we got that windshield coming. But this thing is gonna transform, y'all. I'm telling y'all now, this thing is running good. I've been driving this thing everywhere around the city. This thing is juiced up, got 10,000 miles on that bad boy. It's my favorite part about the Roadglide. But y'all see what's going on, man. We about to get the shop cleaned up. We're about to have the Ohio joint getting shipped. I had to cancel the shipment because they were on BS. And we about to have the Texas joint on the way out, man. So stay tuned for both of these joints, man. We're about to have these things going, sliding, man. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. Nothing like some good, fresh black grips. Y'all see how damaged and demolished those are? Got the new fresh black joints, man. About to have these joints nice and fresh up on there. Yes, sir. We got the fresh black fender. Love a fresh wraparound, man. And the fact they give you the spacers with the bolts makes everything so much easier. So that is definitely gonna look good. Can't wait to see how this comes out. Okay, so this is the outer fairing. Look how wet that black is, y'all. Oh my God, dude. That is crazy. Fresh, wet black. Time to get this bad boy off of there, all that damage. It's about to look good though. And it's not even the original outer fairing, I swapped it out. But this is the one we going with, y'all. Freshly black painted, ready to go. Stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. This thing is about to be juiced up, y'all. About to get it right. Have this thing on its way. Now we got that out. Gotta get to this outer fairing. Outer fairing looks just as good. Look at that wet black. Nice and wet, man. Ooh, I cannot wait. This thing is about to come together, y'all. I'm telling y'all, get in the win this joint. This can be yours, man. 2019 Roadglide special. Everything is going to be new and improved. Fresh out the box. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir. That thing is iced up, man. Cannot wait. We're about to bust it down, though. sir. Y'all see what's going on, man. We done made a lot of progress. I see how damaged this stuff was, man. It's crazy. You didn't even notice because everything was just so blacked out. I know I didn't get to really see all that, but we got everything out, all the ventilation system, the gauges out. We got everything, the speakers out, everything. This thing is looking wild. So now, basically after this, we're about to pop this radio out, hit them with them 4 bolts right there. We're gonna get that up off of there, and then we're gonna go ahead, pop this off, swap the interfering out. That looks crazy, man. Y'all see what's going on? Got this thing busting down, coming together like no other, y'all. I see it here first. That is crazy. But y'all see it, man. We got it going. I would put the legs and the covers on, pop off the wheel, but I gotta go to Harley and get 4 good bolts for the legs. So we're gonna get to that later today. But y'all see what's going on. We got the wobble. Thing is about to come up off of there. This thing is transforming right in front of our face, man. This thing is crazy. This Roadglide is not even complicated. It's just a lot much more than the older style ones. But that's how it is when you upgrade stuff to newer years. Everything is not going to be what it used to be. If it was, that'll be a problem. The fact that everything is different. Harley is upgrading everything every year, as they should. So they're giving us more of our money's worth. But y'all see what's going on, man. We're about to go ahead and swap that joint out. So let's get back to it, y'all. Got everything over here. Speakers. All the little pieces from the inside. It's crazy. Just like that, man. Got this thing transforming, literally. But like I said, we're about to get back to it. Crazy. We got this thing looking like a road king. That is crazy, dude. Looking like a straight road king. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see what's going on. This thing had more damage than I thought. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. And then it's crazy. Starting to see more of these lights on here everywhere. I gotta plug them back up, but this Roadglide definitely had more damage than I thought, man. See that tab broken on the inside? It's a lot of little small stuff, but you would never know until you really bust it down and get to it. And that's why I was telling myself I want to replace just everything that looks kind of messed up or just might be damaged, just so everything could be new and improved. Because like I said, you just never know until you get to busting it down, man. But y'all see it here first, man. These bars look super crazy. But y'all like them, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. They're not my style, but y'all like it. I love it. Y'all see it though, man. We about to put this joint back together. Got it buzzed down little by little, man. Like I said, we got the new floorboards coming. I got the crash bar in the mail. Everything to get this thing complete. This was really what's bothering me the most riding. Like, oh my God, y'all don't even understand, dude. Yes, sir. We're gonna rip this all the way off. Put the new ones on. It's not the handlebars, it's the plastic inside. Let's see it, man. About to switch all this stuff up so we can get the new one improved on this joint. Poke my hand. Come on, baby, get up off of there. There we go. I wish I had my dog Ace to see these muscles. This is trash though. Cannot wait, man. This thing is literally coming together. Like I said, we got the new legs, cans, grips. I had to order another blinker. Everything is coming together. We got the new inner and outer fairing down there. I'm gonna bust the bags down, get those to the paint, along with the gas tank and the bags and the side covers. The back fender is hella wet, and we got the front fender we gonna take. So it's all about to come together though, man. I'm telling you, this can definitely be you, man. Enter the winner's joint. This can be you sliding, not hiding. Your boy is not doing all this work for nothing. But y'all see it though here first. And we also got this complete breather. I gotta go get the bolts from Ace Hardware. Harley does not sell them, so we have to improvise and make the best of it. And then one problem I have noticed too, we gotta go to the bolt extractor to get that out from the crash bar. So that way I could put the crash bar on there. The other side is good, but it's that side that's not, but it's nothing. Just like I was saying, this thing had a lot more damage than I thought, but the more you bust it down, the more you're gonna see, but it's all good because that's what we're doing this for, to swap everything out and get this thing on the road, looking good and running even harder. So stay tuned, man. We working, we about to bust this thing, keep busting it down a little bit more, and then we're about to put it back together. So stay tuned, y'all. We working, y'all see what's going on, man. So that's a wrap, y'all. We're gonna get back to this tomorrow. We made a lot of progress though. We got the headlight, the vents and everything up on there. We're gonna get the rest of the pieces bolted up tomorrow. I'm gonna go to Harley today and see if I can get one of those pockets and whatnot. Then we'll get the bolts for the cans. So we're gonna pop this wheel and the chrome legs off and throw the blacked out ones right here on. So we're gonna have this thing transforming, y'all. So stay tuned. Like I said, man, this can be you. This can be your bike, man, but you gotta enter to win. You gotta pay to play. You can own this 2019 special, man. Roadglide special. Y'all see what's going on, man. This thing is juiced up, looking good, and we ain't even done yet. Just wait till we get the floorboards and all the little accessories on here, man. This thing is definitely going to come together, y'all. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We working.